In this video, I'm going to be going over how to remove WordPress logo from admin bar step by step. I'll even be going over how to change the WordPress logo and add in a logo of your choice if you'd like. Removing the WordPress logo from admin bar is a quick and easy process. By the end of this video, you will successfully have the WordPress logo removed or changed in your WordPress website. Let's get started. To start, I'm in the WordPress dashboard. You'll see the WordPress logo showing here at the top in the admin bar. To remove this, hover over the Plugins tab in the left side menu. Click Add New Plugin. In the search field, type in White Label CMS. You'll see the White Label CMS plugin showing here. Click the Install Now button. Once it's done installing, click the Activate button. Once it's done activating the plugin, you'll be here on the Plugins page. In the left side menu, hover over Settings, click White Label CMS. You'll see the Hide WordPress logo and links here. Toggle this to on. Click the Save button. You'll see up at the top the WordPress logo no longer shows. If you want to add in your own logo here, here's how to do this. Go to the admin bar branding section. Where you see admin bar logo, click Upload. You can then upload a logo you want to show here or choose a logo already uploaded to WordPress. I'll select the logo I've already uploaded to WordPress. I'll click the Insert into Post button. Click the Save button. You'll now see it showing in the top admin bar. That is how to remove WordPress logo from admin bar. Give this video a thumbs up and leave us a comment letting us know if the tutorial was helpful or not, as the comments help improve our tutorials. Be sure to subscribe to our channel for more WordPress tutorial videos.